Hello kids, Shubhamangalam at Little Scholar High School. Myself Mrs. Nazrina, taking Standard 2 Lesson 4. Standard 2 Lesson 4. In previous lesson we have discussed the lesson. Yes, lesson explanation is completed children. Now we will do in textbook. Open your science textbook page number 31. Open your science textbook page number 31. Exercise. First and second bit we will do it now. Okay, first and second. I wrote first and second questions on the board. You will copy the answers in your textbook. After writing in textbook, you will write the same in your classbook also. Is it clear, children? Complete it in textbook first, then you will write it in your classwork. We will read the questions. What was our lesson for? Water. What was our lesson for? Water. So it's not lesson 5, children. It is lesson 4, water. Fill in the blanks. Here two options are given, which we should read the sentence and which one is correct word we should write in this dash. Okay, RAIN rain, OCEAN ocean, RAIN rain, OCEAN ocean is the main source of water. Which is the main source of water? Rain or ocean? Rain is the main source of water. If rain comes only, ocean will be filled. If rain comes only, ocean will be filled. So RAIN rain. Rain is the main source of water. Then well is a source of dash. Well is a source of clean water or underground water. Well water is known as clean water or underground water. Well water is underground water. Yes, how we will take well water? We will put a bucket under the ground. No, water will be filled there in the well. In the well, water will be filled. We'll put a bucket and we'll pull the bucket. Then bucket will come with full of water. Yes. So well is underground water. Well is underground water, not clean water. UNDER, under, GROUND, ground, underground water. Well is a source of underground water. Well water, where we will get? It will be from underground. We will get the well water. We use a dash. We use a dash hand pump or water filter. Hand pump. Yes, hand pump. If you hold that handle and if you move the handle up and down, you will get water. You will get water. That is hand pump. Hand pump, water filter. To draw out underground water. To draw out underground water, we will use hand pump or water filters. Water filters are used to purify water, to clean the water. Hand pump is used to get water from the ground. Hand pump is used to get water from the ground. Yes, hand pump will have a handle. We will hold the handle and push the handle up and down. As you push the handle up and down, we will get the water. So this is underground water. Hand pump is used to get underground water. HAND, hand. PUMP, pump, and pump. HAND, hand. PUMP, pump, and pump. It is important to dash drinking water. It is important to strain or to purify drinking water. We will put a cloth and we will strain. We will keep a net and we will strain the water. To clean, we should purify it. What we should use? We should use filters. We should boil the water, or we should use purifiers or filters to clean drinking water, to get clean drinking water. So it is important to purify drinking water, not to strain. If you strain the water, dust will not come, but germs will be inside the water. If you boil, if you purify the water, germs also will be cleaned and it is good to drink. So purify. Purify means cleaning the water. PURIFY, purify. It is important to purify drinking water, to clean the drinking water. Write T for true, second bit now. Write T for true and F for false. You should write T for true and F you should write for false. If the sentence is correct sentence, you will write T. If the sentence is wrong sentence, you will write F, false. Okay. Rainwater fills up lakes, rivers and oceans. Rain water fills up. When rain comes only, whatever water bodies are there on the earth, like lakes, rivers, streams, oceans, yes, ponds, all this will be filled with water. Yes, rain water only is filling all the water bodies, and some water will go under the ground also, that is known as underground water. So rain water is filling up all the water bodies. Yes, correct, true. T means true. Boiling makes the water clean. Yes, if you boil the water, water will be clean. Yes, we can clean. How we can clean the water? In three ways. We have three ways to clean the water. We can boil the water. We can use water filters. We can use purifiers, water purifiers to clean the water. So what boiling also makes the water clean. Boiling means you will take water and you will keep it on the stove. Yes, we'll put water in a vessel and keep it on the stove for some time. After boiling, whatever germs are there in that, it will die. So boiling also makes the water clean. True. Those who don't have water purifiers, those who don't have filters at home, they will boil water and drink. We should throw garbage, means we should throw our waste in the lakes and rivers. We should throw our waste like biscuit covers, banana peels, whatever dust we are getting in house, all that will collect and we should throw in the lakes and ponds. No, we should not throw waste garbage in dust, lakes and ponds. But here they gave we should throw. Is it correct? We should throw? No, we should not throw. So this sentence is wrong. We should throw is given. That means it is wrong sentence. False. We should throw, they told. No, we should not throw. So this is wrong sentence. False. We can reuse water from our kitchen to water the plants. We can reuse means again you can use. Now mother will wash vegetables. That water, leftover water, you can pour to plants. You can pour to plant. In that way we are reusing. Yes, 2 times we used water now. First for washing vegetables. That leftover water we are pouring to our plants. In that way we are reusing water. We can reuse water from our kitchen. Yes, we can use the water for plants. True. If your water is left over in water bottle, you can pour to plants. In that way you are drinking and also you are using that leftover water to plants. That is reusing. Again you are using that. Again you are using that. Now in your page number 31 you will write the answer. You will write the answer. Now see, put your finger in your textbook. Put your finger in your textbook. We will read all the spellings now. With the spellings we will learn now. R-A-I-N, rain. R-A-I-N, rain. O-C-E-A-N, ocean. Rain, ocean. Is the M-A-I-N, main. S-O-U-R-C-E, source. O-F, off. W-A-T-E-R, water. Rain is the main source of water. Ocean or rain? Yes, rain is the main source of water. When rain comes only, all the water bodies, whatever there on the earth will be filled. Ocean is also one of the water body. Ocean is very big water body, very big water body. So rain is the main source of water. S-O-U-R-C-E, source. S-O-U-R-C-E, source. O-F, off. W-A-T-E-R, water. Rain is the main source of water. Next. W-E-L-L, well. I-S is A. S-O-U-R-C-E, source. O-F, off. U-N-D-E-R, under. G-R-O-U-N-D, ground. Underground. U-N-D-E-R, under. G-R-O-U-N-D, ground. Underground. C-L-E-A-N, clean. W-A-T-E-R, water. Well is a source of underground water. Well means we will dig well where? Under the ground. No, under the ground we will dig a well. From the underground we will get water in the well. We will get water in the well. That we put our buckets and we will pull it out. So well is underground water. How we are getting water in well? From underground. We use a hand pump. H-A-N-D, hand. P-U-M-P, pump. H-A-N-D, hand. P-U-M-P, pump. W-A-T-E-R, water. F-I-L-T-E-R, filter. F-I-L-T-E-R, filter. To D-R-A-W, draw. Draw means to take out. Draw means to take out. Bucket we will put and we will draw. Yes, we will pull the bucket, that is draw. O-U-T, out. U-N-D-E-R, under. G-R-O-U-N-D, ground. W-A-T-E-R, water. We use hand pump to draw out underground water. To get underground water, we will use a hand pump. Hand pump wells, yes. For hand pump, yes, handle will be there for hand pump. If you move that handle up and down, you will get underground water out. Yes. Wells also is a underground water. Yes, when we dig well, where we dig well, under the ground only, under the ground. It is important. I-M-P-O-R-P-A-N-T, important. I-M-P-O-R-P-A-N-T, important. P-O-2, P-U-R-I-F-Y, purify. P-U-R-I-F-Y, purify. S-T-R-A-I-N, strain. S-T-R-A-I-N, strain. D-R-I-N-K-I-N-G, drinking. D-R-I-N-K-I-N-G, drinking. W-A-T-E-R, water, drinking water. Write T for true and F for false. R-A-I-N, rain. W-A-T-E-R, water, rain water. F-I-L-L-S, fills. U-P, up. L-A-K-E-S, lakes. R-I-V-E-R-S, rivers. R-I-V-E-R-S, rivers. A-N-D, and. O-C-E-A-N-S, oceans. True. Rainwater fills up lakes, rivers and oceans. True. Put finger, children. Second one, true or false? Second one. B-O-I-L-I-N-G, boiling. B-O-I-L-I-G, boiling. M-A-K-E-S, makes. T-H-E, the. W-A-T-E-R, water. C-L-E-A-N, clean. Boiling makes the water clean. True. Boiling makes the water clean. True. W-E-V-S-H-O-U-L-T, should. T-H-R-O-W, throw. T-H-R-O-W, throw. G-A-R-B-A-G-E, garbage. I-N, in. T-H-E, the. L-A-K-E-S, lakes. A-N-D, and. R-I-V-E-R-S, rivers. We should throw garbage in the lakes and rivers. False. We should throw garbage in the lakes and rivers. False. W-E-V-C-A-N, can. R-E-U-S-E, reuse means again. Reuse. W-A-T-E-R, water. F-R-O-M, from. O-U-R, our. K-I-T-C-H-E-N, kitchen. K-I-T-C-H-E-N, kitchen. T-O, tool. W-A-T-E-R, water. T-H-E, the. P-L-A-N-T-S, plants. We can reuse water from our kitchens to water the plants. True. Once again, we will read the sentences now. Put finger, fill in the blanks. Rain is the main source of water. Second one. Well is a source of underground water. We use a hand pump to draw out underground water. It is important to purify drinking water. Before drinking, we should boil, we should filter, or we should purify the water so that we can drink clean water. True or false? Rainwater fills up lakes, rivers and oceans. True. Boiling makes the water clean. True. We should throw garbage in the lakes and rivers. False. We can reuse water from our kitchen to water the plants. Yes, true. Now read these sentences, children. Now you will be able to read the sentence. Copy both bits in your textbook first. From your textbook, your homework is write lesson 4 exercise 1 and 2 in your classwork very neatly. Did you finish new terms in classwork? Those who finish new terms lesson 4 in classwork, you start writing lesson 4 exercise 1 and 2 in your classwork very neatly. First copy it in textbook, then you will write in your classwork first letter capital letter, and at the end of the sentence put full stop. Okay, write it neatly, do your work neatly, and also learn both the bits before we go to next bit. These two you should be thorough with. Learn with spellings, children. Do your work neatly. Thank you.